Okay, now I'm going to make the second drawing for the gear puller. That's this arm here. So we start with a new drawing. As usual, we save. I'll call this arm puller for the bearing puller. And then let's save. Go to the front view. We start with the top part there. Draw a circle. It's going to be 16 mils. This is a through hole, so maybe you could even as well put it there. So I just draw 8 mils to represent the hole. E for extrude. And I just need to extrude that external part, make sure it is symmetrical. Then total length is 10 mils. Okay, so after that, I go back to the origin, and I'm going to shoot the front plane again, which is that XY plane. I'll bring back this up here. I do sketch, then I'll draw a line going down somewhere around there. Another line going down in the distance. Make sure the distance between these two lines is 5 mils, and change these two by holding control into construction lines. Those can be center lines, but prefer to use construction lines because sometimes center lines are misinterpreted by the software. Then we'll go down here and we'll draw that shape. Going down is 10 mils. Going to the right, we don't know how much it is. So we just go that way. Then join that. Go to dimensions. Put a 20 on top here. 60 degrees to this low height. So all we're remaining with now is 100. From there to there should be 100. Should be that structure finished. After doing that, then all we need to do is to do an extrusion of this lower part. So E, and then still again symmetrical. You can do the small house so that you can see what's happening, and make sure it is the whole length. Put 10. So after that, we still go back to the XY plane, and then this time we're going to draw another sketch, which will be that curve there to make the handle itself. So using a 3-point arc, we start from that center, go anywhere in the middle here. It's actually at the middle of that 105, but it may shift to some time, then you have to put it back. Then you put here, that will be 75, and make a holding control this and that center are vertical, and then the distance between that point would be 105. So after you have done that, then you need to put the plane in this top point there. So if we go back to solid, then we go to construction, look for a plane through a path, then you select the path, which is that, and then put a 0 here. You have to put a plane at the top there. So it's okay. Probably made a mistake to put that hole there, because when I put the sweep now, see, yeah, because the sketch is going to be in the middle. So if we go back to our first sketch, edit it, let's remove that middle circle, because it will not support the Boolean operation we're going to do. Okay, so I do sketch again, pick that one. Then after this, I'm going to draw an ellipse. So we go to ellipse, that center, go to the right. Then that ellipse, according to that diagram there, the long side is going to be 12.5. Where is it? See, do again, ellipse. Seeing the ellipse. Is there. The long side is 12.5. The short side is 7.5. If I do in the small house, that will be the sketch there. To go into solid, then click on sweep, select the profile, and then the path, and make sure that it is joining. Then the arm is now complete. We need to put a 5mm fillet there. Normally it will be better to do it together, so I'll go back to this, then you add, so put it at the bottom. Should have done that in one go, but because I clicked OK, set it to pop up. 5, that's done. Then you put a hole, one, which if you had put before, it will now be seeing the protrusion of this one will come in. So 8, then into extrusion, the profile, just drag that one out. Click OK. That's the arm finished. Then we'll go to the assembly next.